Is this TV mine? Yes, it is. This TV is yours. Is that bag his? No, it's not. That bag isn't his. Whose fan is that? That's the teacher's fan. Is this a window or a door? It's a door. Are our bananas in the kitchen? No, they're not. Their peaches are in the kitchen. Is there electricity in their friend's room? Yes, there is. There's electricity in all of the rooms. Is this tea thermos your daughter's or mine? It's yours. At that market they sell apples, oranges, mangoes, grapes, pears, cherries, lemons, and pomegranates. Let's go in my car.